फरायसा फरायसुलिफोर सिगांनि मोननै भिडिअ जों दा मिडनाइट भिजिटर सल'नि गासैबो खोथाफोरखौ फरायखांबाय जानो हागौ नोंसोरो सल'खौ बुजि मोनदों दा दिनैनि भिडिअ आं नोंसोरनो बै फरानि बै लेसननि बे मिडनाइट भिजिटर लेसननि प्रबेबल जानो हागौ माखासे सोंनाय आरो बिनि फिननायफोरखौ बुंना होनोसै नोंसोर गोसो होनानै खोनासं गिबि कुइसना जाबाय हु वाज असाबुल हाउ इज हि डिफारेंट फ्रम आदार सिक्रेट एजेंट्स बेनि फिननायखौ जों ओरैबायदि होनांगोन असाबुल वाज ए सिक्रेट एजेंट आरो गदाय खन्दनि एन्सारा जागोन असाबुल वाज डिफारेंट फ्रम आदार सिक्रेट एजेंट्स in several ways. He had a small room in musty corridor of a gloomy French hotel. It was on the 6th and top floor, and it was scarcely the setting for a romantic adventure. Osabul was very fat, and he had the thrilling appearance of a secret agent. Though he lived in Paris for more than 20 years, he spoke French and German only passably and had an American accent. Instead of getting messages slipped into his hands by dark-eyed beauties, he got only a telephone call making an appointment. Thus, Osabul was different from other secret agents. बे जाबाय गिबि सोंनायनि फिन बेनि उनाव नेक्स्ट कुइसना जाबाय हु वाज मैक्स हाउ has he got in the room of Osabul? The Max was another secret agent belonging to different organizations. Max has got into the room of Osabul with a passkey. बेनि जाबाय बे कुइसननि एन्सारा दाना थाम कुइसना जाबाय हु इज फाउलार एंड व्हाट इज हिज फर्स्ट ऑथेंटिक थ्रिल ऑफ द डे एन्सारा बेनि फाउलार वाज ए रोमांटिक राइटर एंड फ्रेंड Osabul Fowler had his first authentic thrill of the day is that when he and Osabul reached Osabul's room, they found a man standing there with an automatic pistol in his hand, pointing towards Osabul and himself. बेनि उनाव नेक्स्ट प्रबेबल क्वेश्चन जानो हागौ हाउ according to Osabul Max got into the room of him. Osabul said that Max had got into the room through the balcony. सुंद क्वेश्चन बेनि उननि क्वेश्चना जाबाय हु वाज हेनरी हाउ डिड ही help Osabul? Henry was the waiter of the hotel where Osabul lived. Osabul ordered him to bring a bottle and 2 glasses. Henry came to deliver the order to Osabul. When there was a knock at the door, Osabul reacted as if a police was at the door. In this way, the knocking by Henry helped Osabul to get rid of secret agent Max. Ini question what did Osabul tell Max when he heard a knock at the door? Hearing a knock at the door, Osabul told Max that he had requested the police to have a strict vigil. Max lost his wish at the mention of the police. Immediately, he jumped down from the window and leaped to the bed. Thus, the knocking at the door saved the life of Osabul and Paula, and also the secret report regarding new missiles. Beni uno our question jana hago everybody. Why did Paula go to the gloomy French hotel? Beni answer Paula, a young writer, went to the gloomy French hotel to meet Osabul, a secret agent who was quite exceptional to other secret agents. Fowler wished to meet a mysterious figure, but instead he had to spend his evening with a sloppy fat man. The last probable question is how does Osabul manage to make Max believe that there is balcony attached to his room? Osabul created a convincing story about the presence of a balcony. He said that somebody had entered his room through the balcony before also. When Max said that he did not know about the balcony, Osabul replied with extreme irritation that it was not his balcony. This reaction, which looked natural, played an important part in convincing Max. Osabul further told Max that his room was earlier a part of a larger unit and the adjoining room was the one which had the balcony. He said that it extended under his window. His manner of description and the tone of speaking convinced Max that there was indeed a balcony attached to his room. Debe maksane be midnight visitors soloni probable question tu. Dini ang maksudnya be midnight visitor solo ko esione hujubbat.